Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter number 3, How the State Government Works. In the previous video, we discussed some points that we'll revise today and complete the chapter also. Students, through a picture story, we came to know that one person is responsible to provide all kind of facilities in his constituency, that is MLA, and problems like water shortage, communicable diseases are looked after by an MLA. MLA is a person elected by the citizens, the residents of the particular constituency, and he is known as members of the legislative assembly. Legislative assembly represents the state. It is responsible to frame laws. The constituency is an area that is divided from the point of view of election. From each constituency, one member is elected. How is government formed? It is very important for you to understand, students, that what is the election process. For state election, the state is divided into different areas, as you know, that are known as constituency. From each area, one person is elected, known as MLA. For one party, it is necessary to win the majority, means to win more than 50% seats, and that party is invited by the governor to form the government, as is known as majority party or ruling party. The other persons who are elected but not are the part of ruling party, they form the opposition. Yesterday I explained with an example also. So I think this is clear. Now, if one single party does not get the majority, then what happens? Two or three parties join together and form the government. Such a kind of government is known as coalition government. Today, our focus is on a debate in the Legislative Assembly. Students, in the Legislative Assembly, all the MLAs attend the meetings, attend the sessions, whether they belong to ruling party or they belong to opposition party. There the different issues are raised. For example, in this chapter we are focusing on water shortage and diseases related to them. So when they come together in the assembly, they discuss regarding different issues, and they find out the solution also. Here some students are also there to visit the assembly session to look how does the assembly works, how does the state government work. In the debate, the members participate, and opposition party members raise questions, and the members of ruling party are answerable to them. They have to answer what they have done regarding problems. Now let us discuss what MLA 1 says. MLA 1 is discussing the problem of Akhand Gaon, because he belongs to the constituency of Akhand Gaon. So he is saying that there had been 15 deaths in the last days because of diarrhea. Now, why safe drinking water is not available to all? Why minister in charge is not taking appropriate steps to improve the condition of the constituency? What is the ruling party doing? So this MLA belongs to opposition party. MLA 2, he is questioning that why hospitals are in a bad situation. There are no doctors, and medical staff jo hai, that is also a lack, shortage of the staff is there. So what are the plans of the government to deal with the situation? What the government is doing? Why there are not new doctors appointed? So such questions are raised in the assembly, and this MLA also belongs to opposition party. Now MLA 3rd, he belongs to Tolpatti constituency, and because of shortage of water, women have to travel up to 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water. So why tankers are not supplied, he is raising the question. And why ponds and well have not been cleaned and disinfected still. Next is MLA 4. What he is saying, just pay attention and you think over that to which party he belongs to. He is saying that my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken steps to control the situation, like water tankers have been put into service, ORS packets are being distributed. The government is doing everything possible to help the people because he is answerable. So he is answering that we are also making proper efforts to facilitate the citizens and for water supply and cleanliness. He is a ruling party. Next is MLA 5. He is saying that hospitals do not have doctor. There is shortage of doctor, and the hospitals which have doctors, they are on leave. They have gone on leave. So the situation is worst, and ORS packets which were distributed, they were insufficient, not sufficient. MLA 6, he is saying that opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government, and just see, this MLA is blaming the previous party. This is the function of political parties, that the opposition will raise the issues and ruling party will answer. And he is blaming the previous government, that previous government did not pay any attention to sanitation, but we are making efforts to clear the garbage. Means we are doing our best, and we are not sitting like this. We know the problems and we are going to give the solution to you. So, after the debate, what happens? How do we know what has been done in the assembly? What are our sources? Our sources are media, TV, news channels, newspapers. We read the discussion, what is done in the assembly, and we come to know. So, working of the government. Whenever there is an issue, what the ruling party does, just look here, it calls a press conference. The minister in charge, he has called a press conference after the debate to answer the questions, and he is clarifying everything, and he has visited the families who were affected due to the water shortage, due to the deaths in the families, and they were assured the compensation for these families the minister has announced. So, this is how the ruling party makes every efforts to look into the situation. Like nowadays, due to COVID-19, in the hospital, arrangements are seen by the health minister, Mr. Anil Vij. He is looking after. And here chief minister also said that the problem is not only of sanitation but also of clean drinking water shortage. So sanitation facilities will be improved, and he has asked Minister for Public Works to take care of the needs of the proper water supply. This is what is done. Alone chief minister cannot do anything. So he takes the help of different departments, agriculture department, health department, education department, to improve the situation. What other things government can do? Government also plans and make new laws and implement them to improve the situation, and it makes compulsory for municipal corporations to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area, and it also ensures that health worker is appointed